Before performing any type of work on Masabi products, consult factory before proceeding with any work that might involve a warranty plan. Servicing may void the warranty. Always call L&M Radiator customer service with questions. Always consult the appropriate service manual when servicing Masabi products. Like Masabi radiators, Masabi 5.67-inch S-fin oil coolers are field repairable. The following procedure demonstrates how to quickly repair damaged tubes within your Masabi S-fin oil cooler. To make a repair on your Masabi S-fin oil cooler, you will need a supply of Masabi tubes, seals, seal retainers. Some replacement dip spin bolts may be necessary depending on operating environment, S-fin spacer tool, S-fin installation removal tool, and quad seal. You will also need the following items available from L&M: seal O-ring tool and assembly lubricant. You will also need the following tools: 3/8-inch drive ratchet, a 1/4-inch, 3/16-inch, or 5/16-inch Allen driver, and a 3/8-inch drive torque wrench. Begin by cleaning the core as you would an engine radiator. Next, remove the support bar and tension ties if equipped. Remove T-blocks. Remove seal retainers using Masabi Seal O-ring tool. The notch in the retainer clip can be used to remove the retainer using the O-ring tool. Next, begin removing tubes by inserting the S-fin spacer around tube so the notch rests on the stop end tank surface. The stop end tank is identified by an S and the max pressure machined in 2 places. Insert S-fin installation removal tool around the tube in between the S-fin spacer and the finned surface of the tube on the stop end tank. Squeeze S-fin installation/removal tool, pushing the tube into the float end tank until the tube is free from the stop end tank. The float end tank is identified by F machined in 2 places. Gently tilt and pull the tube out of the hole, keeping a minimal angle as not to pinch and damage the tube end. Pull the tube out of the opposite tank. 2 people are needed for handling the tubes. Remove seals from tank. Inspect and clean the old or new tube ends and tube holes in tanks for dents, burrs, or scratches. Inspect new seals for cuts. If any burrs or scratches are noticed, use sandpaper, 280 grit or finer, to clean surfaces. Sand only in the direction as shown to prevent leak paths. Lubricate seals, tube ends, tube holes. Refer to service manual for recommended lubricant. Once lubricated, place new seals on tube ends. Carefully insert tube into float end tank at the smallest angle possible. Align the tube with the stop end tank hole. Slide tube into the stop end tank gently until it stops. Install seal retainers with the smooth side of the retainer towards the seal. On the float end tank, use the S-fin installation removal tool to press the seal and seal retainer into the tube hole. The seal retainer will be flush with the surface of the tank. Install T-blocks on the float end tank. Bolts only need to be snug. Repeat the process on the stop end tank. Torque T-block bolts per the service manual. Install tension ties if equipped and support bar. You can now pressure test the cooler. Full face protection must be worn. Use only appropriate pressure fittings and pressure lines and apply pressure slowly. The S-fin 350 oil cooler can be tested to a maximum of 400 psi, the S-fin 500 oil cooler to a maximum of 550 psi, and the S-fin 600 oil cooler to a maximum 650 psi. Call L&M Radiator if you have any questions regarding the pressure rating of your cooler. This completes the service and repair procedure for the Masabi S-Fin oil cooler. Remember, this video is not a substitute for information contained in service manuals. Manuals are available online at www.masabi.com or by calling toll-free in the United States and Canada at 1-800-346-3500. Tools and parts can also be ordered and shipped within 24 hours. MasterCard and Visa accepted.